In this quick video, you'll learn how to effectively turn off voicemail on your iPhone, step by step. First, an important note, Apple and many carriers don't let you fully delete voicemail, but you can disable or bypass it with a few simple settings. I'll show you how to stop calls from going to voicemail and how to block voicemail notifications so they don't bother you. We'll start in settings to stop your iPhone from sending calls automatically to voicemail. Then we'll adjust a few options in the phone app so voicemail becomes basically useless for callers. Keep your phone nearby and follow along so you can tap each step with me in real time. On your iPhone, open the Settings app, then scroll down and tap Focus. Tap Do Not Disturb, then make sure it's turned off so your calls aren't silently pushed to voicemail. Next, go back to Settings, tap Phone, then tap Call Forwarding if you see that option. If call forwarding is on, turn it off so calls are not being diverted straight to your voicemail or another number. Now open the phone app, tap Voicemail, and delete or clear old messages so you don't see constant voicemail alerts. Finally, contact your mobile carrier and ask them to turn off voicemail on your line, or set your ring time to maximum so callers rarely hit voicemail. That's it. You've reduced or removed voicemail on your iPhone. Save this video, and share it with someone who's tired of voicemail too.